If you have a newer DJI drone, you may have noticed it comes with a new piece for securing your props, your blades, onto the drone, which didn't come with older drones. You may have also noticed that it's a pain in the neck to constantly line this up perfectly. I don't know why DJI designed it like they did, but they did. So I quickly ordered a strap for this. That's something that's much simpler. It's Velcro, so you can just slide it on and off. And then all you have to do is simply align your props on both sides. You slide in this Velcro, and then you tighten it. And that's all you have to do to keep your props safe and secure when you're sliding in and out of the bags. I also like this because it comes in a multi-pack, so you can use the additional straps for cable management or a million other purposes. So I think this is an easy recommendation over the one that DJI gives you. So an instant upgrade for your drone. So yeah, if you're tired of fussing around with this, I would go ahead and check out something like this. I'll leave the link down in the description if you want to check it out.